group, Attorney Alec Abasel.
Batchmates. Mamaya na yan, batchmates. Erwin, Zapata. Mamaya na yan. Please, may I request everyone to take their respective seat na. Medyo para makawain up na natin ang ating mga former teachers. Sige na, batchmates, muna kayo. Before we proceed with the fun time, no? Habang fun time, let's listen muna. At para makapagpahinga na natin mga nagagandahang mga dulo. At lalong bumabata ang mga dulo. Ha? Tumatanda ako ma'am, pero kayo hindi pa rin tumatanda. That's unfair. Anyway, to our former mentors, thank you for sharing this wonderful event with us, and we appreciate it. So at this juncture, Ma'am Tempresa, hindi nakikinig si Ma'am Tempresa. Excited si Ma'am Tempresa sa regalo. I need the help from our valedictorian, of course. At this juncture, we would like to make an official declaration tonight. Ma'am Tempresa, what are we? Yan, excited ka ma'am. May kasunod mo yan. Now, at this juncture again, we would like to make an official announcement that Batch 86 is officially adopting Ma'am Tempresa as alumni. Honorary member of the Batch 86. A round of applause, please. Well, before that, do you accept?
I do. I am now officially Batch 86 alumna.
Wow! Thank you very much for that, accepting that honor. Picture taking, please. Ma'am, by the way, yung certificate na to follow na lang. Thank you very much. Again, palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Tempresa. And the next part is this would be yung turnover ceremony, no? We'd like, hey guys. Next part is yung turnover ceremony ng ating secretariat. Beforehand, we would like to recognize and give honor to our first secretariat in the person of Mario Pimentel. Mario Pimentel will be passing over, turn over the next secretariat to Miss after Mario Pimentel, our first secretariat, it was passed and turned over to the next secretariat, who is Miss Lisa Siso, who is partly responsible for this wonderful event. Where is this Lisa Siso? Yes, we'd like to call Miss Lisa. Miss Lisa Siso is our current secretariat for this event. Now, after Lisa will turn over the next secretariat to Miss Alma Ruelos. It's very unfortunate that Alma Ruelos, after so many years, remain single. So, lahat ng binata, anal, single, anal, she is very single and willing to mingle. Left is, okay, Mark, please, for the turnover of the torch. The torch, this is our, ating people ng Batch 86. To Lisa, to Alma, please. For the last, as our last announcement, we will, yung next, intended event, succeeding event after this one would be an integrated, it's an integrated homecoming between the elementary department and high school department. So medyo, it's going to be a big or huge event. Siguro mas malaki pa dito. We're hoping to invite more participants, especially sa elementary department, because most of the alumni of the elementary department are also alumni of high school department. So, possibly mga 2018, I hope, lalo mabata pa ang ating mga teachers na sa mga taong yan. Especially Mrs. Clodente. Ha? Hindi tumatanda, hindi nagkakaedad. Ma'am, I'm not single but willing to mingle. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. And again, we appreciate your being here, sharing with us this very wonderful event. This is very rare, ma'am, kasi yung sa Lutong Torre at Holy Victoria, ngayon lang uli nagsama after so many years. Very interesting. But we remain flat-footed, ma'am. We'd like to point out that up to this time, despite the huge success of Mr. Florato Vidal, he remains flat-footed on the ground. Okay, any last, Mario?
Thank you very much. We'd like to request everyone to please stand up for the exit of Congress. Para sa donation for the legend students of ASEC. Hindi ka po pwede man.
Let's introduce our guest for tonight. Okay.
This is it na to ha, this is it. Palakpakan po, ayan.
Ano ba to, Hash? Ano na to? Ay, mga away talaga ako, promise. Naiinis na ako, ha? Nasisira yung beauty ko. Ayun tayo.
Thank you sa mga teachers.
Lumalabas yung pagkalalaki ko dito, pare. Alam ko na abya-byado eh.
Pero alam mo na, awit muna tayo.
Ayan,
Para at least, di ba, ano natin yung moment. Sayang, section 1 pa lang ang natawag natin. Yung ibang section naghihintay.
So hindi, meron daw tayong guest ngayon.
Oo, mamaya ay papakilala natin ngayon ang ating guest.
Ayan. So ito, game na talaga to, ha? Seryoso na to, ha? Ayoko na. Na-trauma na ako sa tagal ko nag-host, ha? Again. Hindi ko na music na. Hindi! Sa tawag ng tamahalan, pwede pala yung naagaw ang mic. Pag hindi ka gusto, aagawin ang mic.
Okay na yung rules ngayon.
Akala ko ginugo. Hindi, akala ko ginugong lang.
Oo, kasi mukha ko tayong gong na.
My God. Okay. So, ayun yung ano natin ha, yung music natin. Okay, my name is Enzo.
And my name is Tana, your exotic diva.
And my name is Tiny Little, ayan. Nagkakabulong-bulong na ako nakakaloka.
Oo, yung aga-aga kong pumunta dito sa Aberdeen, ha? Alas 2 na lang na dito na ako.
Okay, ang usapan, alas 7.
Hindi, alas 4 sabi niya.
Ay, kasi ko alam, may nag-text ako sa akin alas 4.
Nagmumuni-muni pa kami sa MX kaya.
Makaloka dapat tinulog ko muna. Balik mo na yan.
Happy the Golden Jay.
Okay, DJ, go!
DJ, lulunin ko kami sa inyo.
Kaya para po sa inyo, watch ka na pinag
That's 86!
Alam naman, everybody!
Tatay ko ako.
Ah, hindi po malagpak kamukha niya!
Napakaswerte nyo. Kasi ang dami kong boyfriend kahit ganito ang mukha ko.
Ay, nanay ko.
Isa ka doon.
Ladies and gentlemen, ready? 150 points!
And the left corner, ready?
Mahaba ako kasi yung exit ng mga teacher.
May recession na sila.
Nag-i-exit na yan.
Ay, ate, ano po yan?
Sabi, ano ba yan?
Ay, naku, naunahan tayo!
Aga naman yan.
Aga mo naman kami nakaminig.
Ang plano ko na yan eh. Nakaplano na yan eh.
Magic ba yun? Okay. Haba din ba? Thank you po. Salamat po.
Yes, thank you so much once again. Iyan po sa ating mga teachers.
Ang tagal!
Hindi ka ba?
Pakilakal.
Ganyan lang yan. Anong makamaya?
Kaya asa?
Yan na kuya! Ooh, yeah! Come on, everyone! Batch 86! Ang gaganda, ang gagwapo!
Yes! Kaya kita na lang gwapo!
Yes, Barcelona! Sa gabi siya, bonggang-bongga. Masabi-sabi, nasa popo banana. Ating matungkapan, sa disco Isabela, sa disco Champagne. Si ating matungkapan ay taga-disco. Dating kusong sweldo ka sa disco. Ang galing, kapag never yan, ganyan na nililimutan. Kaya siya inuyo-yo, sumasaya. Sa umaga, may pagsadora. Ano daw? Sa pizza, bonggang-bongga. Masabi-sabi, nasa popo banana. Ating matungkapan, sa disco Isabela, sa disco Champagne. Okay, let's do it. Of music of BSC and company. magsama, mag-enjoy ka. Ngayon, madilaw. Hurrah! Yeah! Hurrah!
Ito yung mga panahon nila, no?
Wala bang ilaw na meron? Baby, hurrah!
Rock, baby!
Into my heart.
Rock, baby, hurrah!
Baby, hurrah!
Rock, baby!
Say we'll never part. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong gagawa, ako ay natutang nahihiman. Ako sa iyong pamilya, kaya gusto na magkataluan together. Rock, baby, rock. ako rin.
Yes, so, sino nakakapanood? Sino kapamilya dito? Channel 2. Kapamilya?
Sa pamilya.
Little Big Star. Ay, hindi Little Big Star. Ay, hindi sila hindi sila aware sa gano'n.
Actually ako talagang kapamilya talaga ako.
Oo. Sa NRD ko na patatagalin to.
Huwag mo na
Papakilala ko.
makakanin. Para makapagpunas ako ng
Okay, so eto. Papakilala ko na one of the most promising singer and actress from Viva Artists. The grand winner of the Little Big Star Season 2. Debuted with her self-titled album, Anya Aguilar, on year 2012 and continued with her second album entitled Beginning. And also part of the top grossing movie, The Primate Benjamin, Diary ng Pangit, and many more. Please all welcome Miss Anya Aguilar! Palakpakan! Give it up for Anya Aguilar! Yeah, on stage.
Siyempre, maganda muna nandito. Iiwanan muna natin siya sandali.
So yung maganda mo na may iwan.
Maganda muna, tapos bababa yung mga tatlong magaganda.
Oo, yung mga Diyosa ang bababa.
Kaya
Okay,
nga eh.
may iwan yung diwata.
True! Kasi pag tayo tumingin sa kanya, lutang-lutang tayo.
Ay, oo.
Nakakaloka
Parang-
yung katawan.
Parang lumalabas tayo yung alalay eh.
Oo.
Yung uwak ko alalay.
Yung katawan niya parang coke in a bottle.
Pero dati ganyan yung katawan ko.
Oh?
Ganyan?
Ano, hindi pa nauso yung tokham? Lumaba lang ako eh.
At least nagbagong buhay to.
Ay, Duterte.
Okay,
Ay, ako.
Okay, ito na mukhang ready na siya.
Yes.
Okay, so... Okay, let's give it up for Anya Aguilar!
Sir,